Nawa! Lihat nyo! Everybody may wonder where the restrooms are, right? So it's about a 2-hour walk. No, I'm just kidding. It's like 10 minutes. It's right across the street. He found it for us, so thank you for that. Tell everybody where you're from.
My name is Colton Graham, and I am with Karen from the Midwest. We're here for all the same reasons, so I'm just happy to be here.
Glad they came, man. Go a long way. So restrooms at the Rayborn, so you just basically walk over there. Just so you know, we're actually starting in an hour. So, you know, that's the time that we're permitted technically to start. But we've got people still making their way. This isn't we have a lot more coming than this. So just keep in mind, this is the largest gathering ever of people standing up for refugees, not just Karen. The Karen people taking leadership for all ethnic nationalities. This is unbelievable. This is unprecedented. This is historic. I hope you all know the history that you're making today. So everybody should applaud for themselves. Everybody should clap for everybody. The people that drove hours and hours and hours. People calling saying, hey, we got 10 vans and 6 minivans behind us. So powerful stuff. So hang in there. We're going to start up in a little bit. But if you need those restrooms, you may want to just trickle over as we move on. Again, thank you all.
Well, now, never go on alone. You tell a program in the Baba, Kahalani, Pabella, Cover Clare Corina, Parliament, Chibulana, Miller, the Lord in the Ballet, Doduva, Ballet, the Lord, the Ratia, Palina, or let us live it alone. Aboka, Lerino, Abulo.
Oh, wow, yes, she had a meet over there in that. Tale came not all a ladder.
Let not be like in Pani, only time in Yavita, you know, we are that lead, that way in Pani, Papa, Plato Tila. That in Pani, make that we do, Mana, no, make Patapati, Papa, Plano, the Pagi, don't you now, no? A whole of a Pagi, let's look over me. How could do the Pani?
What do you
Already, when we got you for that, talk about the Pani, Chatari Pani, Helipana, the Pale open up here, war Pagi, no, the Pale open it with us, they were not. The Kalaki, Pani. Lepele, Heli, no, Heli, no, away the Elepele, Chetaleka do the Pavana, for a heck on the Tamayati Pan, Tamayana with us.
Hả? Cái này nó chỉ ra nổ phải lọ. Nó lên từ là giờ vụt thò ra. Qua với cái mỏ. Là khai với cái mỏ. Cái con này nè. Cái gì mỏ? Cái cờ đâu mà cái nồi đảm bảo. Cái này gì?
Patla patla second la no, patu tumi di depan. No patla tiga la di depan ni. Papa di sini nyo di depan ni. Ati la do katte la hok putol ni na. အခုနေအပီလာဒိုးနေပေါ့ညနေခုနော်တမီပါအခုနေဘာမှတော့အဲ့ပတာတည်းဖို့နော်ကွာဒီဘဏ္ဍတရားနေကွာဒီအပီလာဒိုးနေပါဒီကတော့တရားနေနေတယ်နော်
တရားဟိုလေးအောင်ဒီခေါ်လို့
ta su nó ô tình này ta đu cái ba cái ô lên nó phò có đấy à ô pri ba cái nó à cái ô pula ta pu nó tình này ta đu cái ba cái nó we ta su có cái đấy nó tao qua vào đây là hai chị qua lơ mà được vô vui đi hả là pia đâu nhá đi quý ta su bao nhiêu lên chắc sẽ lên nó theo qua phim ra đây chị ôn lên Oklahoma đất chân này nè có hú cái nhà bạn Otherwise, U.S. company would end up going into business with human rights abuses. Since Ms. Suu Kyi recently for democracy swept the election in November 2015, the Nobel Leader has focused much of administration energy on peace talk and the decades-long hostility between the military and ethnic armed groups. But today in Burma, the tension between the Burmese military and the armed ethnics are still at risk. She has accomplished nothing yet. Yet the human rights violation committed by the Burmese military is continually shifting from one ethnic area to other. Because we know that lifting the economic sanctions completely benefited the Burmese army. We know this clearly Because if the Burmese army withdrew their troops from ethnic territory and sincerely looked for the true
Bỏ lại chỗ này. Mà muốn làm bao giờ đi?
Làm gì vậy?